Hello friend, this is Professor Sanjeev Dwivedi and we are talking about programs on 1D array. In this video, we'll be discussing on a program of 1D array that will rotate the array to the left by some specified number of position. Uh, Let us see the program. Let me create an array of size 25. Let n be the total number of element in an array. I will be used for iterator. J will be used for iterator. Let P will be the number of position by which we need to rotate the array to the left. Okay. And we will use X to store that leftmost element, as we have discussed in the logic of this program on the video of my YouTube channel Sanjeev Dwivedi under the playlist C programming. So X will be a temporary variable that will be used to store the leftmost element. Since we are rotating it to the left, the first element that will be affected with the leftmost element, the element at 0th position. So it starts with this. We asked user to enter the number of element in the array. User said, okay, n. Then we read those n integer in an array for I equal to 0, I less than n. Scanf %d ampersand a of I. Let me display the original array, the array which is right now before rotation, before performing rotation operation. And then we asked user कि भाई आपको कितना position left rotate करना है, enter number of position to rotate to the left, and this is the program logic. See, first we should concentrate on this. This is basically rotate array to the left by one position. So X is a of 0, that will store the leftmost element, correct, as we discussed in the logic. Now this will store the leftmost element, and now we need to shift every element to the left. So 0 पे a of 1 आएगा, 1 पे a of 2 आएगा, 2 पे a of 3 आएगा. So हमने ऐसा डिस्कस किया था कि I पे I plus 1 आएगा, ठीक है. तो I0 I less than equal to n minus 1. और हमने लॉजिक में I और J चेंज किया था, तो okay, we can keep it I is 1, I less than equal to P, sorry, I. In logic, we have discussed this as I and this as J. So we'll say J is 0, J less than n minus 1 is clear because n minus 1 पे ये leftmost element X जाएगा. Because when we are rotating to the left, the leftmost element goes to the rightmost position. So less than n minus 1 and J plus plus, and we discussed कि A of J पे A of J plus 1 जाएगा and A of J plus. So let's see, leftmost element is stored in the X from 0 to less than n minus 1, J पे J plus 1 जाएगा. And when J become equal to n minus 1, the loop is terminated because loop तब तक चलेगा जब तक J less than n minus 1 होगा. J become equal to n minus 1, loop will be terminated. A of J, we could have written n minus 1 here, but A of J पे क्या आएगा? X आएगा. Now this is for rotating array to the left by one position. If I desire to rotate it by P position, this I will include this into a for loop that will iterate P number of times. Okay. And now we will display the rotated array. So this is the overall logic. This will rotate the array to the left by one position, and this will rotate, this whole will rotate the array to the left by P position. Let us see the output. Enter the number of elements in an array, let's say 5. Enter the elements, let it be 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. ये मेरा ओरिजिनल आ रहा है 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. कितना पोजीशन लेफ्ट रोटेट करना है? अगर दो पोजीशन हम लेफ्ट रोटेट करेंगे, ठीक है, तो कैसा जाएगा? 11 will go to the last position, so it will be 12, 13, 14, 15, 11 and one more position because हम दो पोजीशन करने वाले. So again 12 will go to the last now. So now my updated array should be 13, 14, 15, then 11 and then 12. Let's see what output we get. 2, 13, 14, 15, 11 and 12 moves to position to the right because we are shifting the array or rotating array to the left. So this is, we are back to the logic. So this is about array rotation to the left.